Restart the machine and go to the BIOS using your system's BIOS key, which is usually F2, F12 Dell, or ESC depending on your motherboard. Once the machine restarts, select the bootable device and boot from it, making sure it's the one with the Windows 11 ISO image. If you don't know how to make a bootable pen drive, you can check out my other YouTube video where I guide you on how to create a bootable device using Ventoy software. Once the bootable pen drive is selected, the machine will start the Windows 11 installation process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. There's not much to do beyond that. When it comes to partitioning, set up the disk partitions according to your requirements. Click Next to continue the installation process. Your machine will restart several times during the installation. Now, set up Windows 11 by configuring your PC name, setting up user access, and completing any other required settings. Now it's done. We've successfully installed Windows 11 in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe and join the Ansa ZED family. Here's the line as requested. Welcome back to Ansa ZED. In today's video, we're going to install Windows 11 step by step. Let's get started. Straight